Hey everybody, welcome into this new video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Jira software. This is a great section for optimizing your tools for your teams. If you are working, let's say for example, with freelancers, if you have a small company and you want to just have everything organized into one place, I think the Jira software is going to be helping you a lot. So I'm going to be leaving you guys a link down below in the description so you can sign up totally for free. And you can create your account like really easy. You don't need to add any kind of credit card, so you don't want to focus in there. You want to make sure that this is the Atlassian.com software section, otherwise it might be fraud or something. So what I want to do here is to choose my work email, and here I want to create my full name, so I'm going to go into agree. And then what's going to happen here is going to be sending us into the inbox bar. So as almost as any application, we just need to customize and prove. We need to verify our email. So I'm going to go into verify your email. I'm going to go into open a new tab. So I can close this now, and I can set a passcode in order to continue, and then choose to sign up. So once you passed into the reCAPTCHA, what you want to do is to create your site if you don't have a site yet. So I'm just gonna tap something like this and see if this is available. So I'm gonna choose the BHN, and this one is already taken. I just want to create something like really simple, and then go into agree. And lastly, what's going to happen here is going to be sending me into the confirmation section of our account. So I just need to add the customer service, for example. What's the role? I'm the account manager. I want to have the documentation and file management. Go into next, and here we do have the different products. So what I do want to focus on is into the Jira service management. If I do want to collaborate with different teammates and have a small business, if you have like a single source of truth, a product requirement release node with your project, you can choose this option. I'm going to stick around with the Jira services management, and after that I just need to start working here. I can just add my own teammate. So I'm going to hit into features, tied, next, and here I can choose the name of the project that I'm creating. So a team name, for example, let's say AXO, and this one has a key, and I can start a template. So you can go into create project, and lastly I'm just gonna skip this for now. I can add my teammates if I want to. I'm gonna hit into done, and I do have now the option to see all the tools available here on the Jira software. I'm going to get into explore by myself, because I'm going to be showing you how we can start working here. So I'm going to just dismiss the quick start, and I'm going to be showing you the roadmap. Now here into the roadmap, what we can do is to choose all the options that we want to create. So here, for example, what needs to be done is to create a campaign Facebook, for example. You can hit into enter, and here as you can see, this is the sprint. This is the option that I just created, and if I clicked in here, it's going to be popping up this section of the to-do list, so I can try to enter a description. So this is an ad for Meta Business Suite, like this. And now I can hit into save. If I want to pin this, I can do this. And here is the assign it to. I can choose assigned to me. And into the labels, if I want to select a specific label, like this is for marketing, I can add that. Go into add new, and this start today, I'm gonna hit for today, and I want to publish that by Thursday. And I'm gonna be choosing reporter, right? Now if I want to add something for a specific customer, for a specific teammate, I'm gonna hit someone needs to create let's say a social media post for Instagram, like this, right? So once again, if I choose the enter button, I want to click in here, and here I want to add the assigned And here to the owner side, I want to choose the persons that I want to assign this task for. If I don't have anyone yet into my project, I want to choose this option that says add people. And here I can tap the name or an email, and I just need to tap the role and hit into add. So automatically it's going to be added here, all my my teammates in here. If I go into the backlog section, here I can add different sources of the date. So here I'm going to add a date. So it's print time name. I'm going to choose mine. The duration I'm going to hit for 4 weeks, and this print goal is to create 10 ads on Meta. I'm going to go into update, and here is my sprint. Now, in order to start creating some sprints, let's say that this is equal to 1 ad, equal to 2 ads, 3 ads, 4 ads, 5 ads, and I can just start to sprint those as I am finish all of them. So I can go into the to-do list, hit into done, and this one automatically is going to be scratched from to-do list into done, so these issues are going to be solved with like one by one as I am finishing my project like this. I'm going to hit done, done, and done. There we go. So lastly, we do have the board section. Now I do love to use the board because for me it's really easy to start some sprints. So we just saw how to add a to-do list. We just saw how to choose I'm going to be showing you guys how you can track. Let's say for example you want to finish this campaign Facebook by the end of January, so you just need to hold my mouse like this. I do have to up to 45 days. But if I want to like look for the board is going to be helping me a lot. So I need to start a sprint in order to change that. So let's say what needs to be done. Once again, I'll be choosing 1 ad on Facebook like this. Now if I go into my board, I should see that my board has these options. I'm going to have to start a sprint. Here is my board. Here's the to-do list. So here I can actually customize this like in a manual way. So for example, I have 1 ad on Facebook to do. If I am already doing this, I'm going to just drag this into in progress. So it's really easy. I think it's like for my brain, it's more easier to see that things are moving on and on. So that's the reason why I do love to use boards. And here I just need to tap the done, and automatically my project into the backlog is going to be automatically done. As you can see, here's the scratch sections. So we do know how to use projects, we do know how to use some dashboards, we can add people, and if you want to add more integrations into your Jira software, you can do that into this side of applications. This is just like a very basic way of how we can start working here into Jira software for and by different team members. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you do want to see more about the Jira software. If you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. So thank you once again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.